Welcome to the heartland of New England.
Yeah.
Here in New Hampshire.
I like to say the wild, wild west.
Wild, 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 wild east. Steel wool trick 101. All right, find the end of it. Stuff is usually rolled up. This is double aught, 2/0. So you can unroll it. All right, so you get this long pad now, right? Strip off a piece. About like that. Twist it. Little kinks. Like that. You get a little kink. You twist it both in the same direction, and it just makes the doubled over end here, this kinked end, wrap up on itself. Basically, you're making cordage. So anyway, this is what you end up with, is an actual cordage made out of steel wool. So when I do that is you can go inside tight spots that you could not. Get a piece of steel wool in and polish up real nice. Even go in here. Get you out of a jam.
Welcome to the tribe. You want to say that?
Welcome to the tribe. We do have a lot of new subscribers, and that is a huge thing. So yeah, welcome to our tribe. Join me on a trip through the making of a puffin out of a whale's tooth. Welcome, tribesmen. I just finished this, and I was hoping to take you guys through the whole process of how I did it. This is a whale's tooth, and then I carved it and scrimshawed it, and ended up with a puffin.